essential skills tutor at Addysg Oedolion Cymru, Adult Learning Wales, and works in the Conwy and Denbighshire regions. She works in a range of very challenging settings with learners facing significant barriers to their learning. They may be facing drug and alcohol problems, mental health issues, low confidence, or as here in the job centre, long-term unemployment.
Obviously I teach essential skills, so we're going to improve literacy and numeracy, which in the job market is, you know, a help because it helps them write CVs, it helps them complete applications. But I think the key, and this has always been my key, is that it raises confidence. Raising self-esteem and giving people confidence is probably as important as improving their writing and their maths skills.
She helps them address obstacles that they may be facing in their learning. She works very closely and communicates very effectively with partnership groups who are supporting those learners. She'll stay late, she'll arrive early to ensure that the learners are able to make the progress that they should do. And even to the point of working through traditional holiday times to keep them in the learning routine and give them the continuity that's so important for keeping them on track.
In this situation, it's a drop-in. So I'm here from 10 till 3, and my learners come for an hour and a half, any time within that period to work here. So it's a very flexible approach, because at any one time I could have 10 different learners doing 10 different things.
Many of the learners that come in and they have many sort of obstacles that need to be overcome before they can actually get on with the reason for being here. Sue has to very much engage and put them at ease before that learning can take place.
We're dealing with adults, and the thought of going back to school, if you like, is, you know, they just don't want to do that. Whereas if they can come into a relaxed atmosphere here, somewhere that they're familiar with, somewhere that they go to anyway, then you know, we get a better result, so that they can actually go out there and feel better about themselves, because lots and lots of people with mental health issues don't feel good about themselves at all.